the weather. Oh, what a dream. We built up a city of whispers and classified war dossiers. I gained you control of my papers and soul in the good old bad old days. Oh yes, wasn't it miserable? Wasn't it grand when the world had an iron divide? And the people could take a political stand just by singing a song of the opposite side. Now nobody cares who you are anymore, and nobody cares what you say. It's liberty's curse, but was it really much worse in a good old bad old days? Gathering flowers every May. The statue of Marx by the tower faces away. On the wall is a souvenir table with hammers and sails displayed on new watches that work and they're sold by a Turk and these good old bad days. Now I'm working for euros and drinking alone, where we used to spend marks at the bar, and the weeds have grown over the border of stone that cuts through the town like a surgical scar. And so many streets on this faded old map are like names written over a grave. It now makes me so mad, 'cause it wasn't that bad in the good old bad old days. Please, Martin, please.